सन 1857 का वह दिन क्या तुम्हें याद है, जब बहुत सारे अंग्रेजों ने तुम्हारी पेट बेपनाह ली थी? क्या तुमने उन्हें डरा हुआ देखा था? क्या तुमने उन्हें रोता हुआ देखा था? क्या उन्हें उस वक्त उन भारतीयों का चेहरा नहीं याद आ रहा था जिनके ऊपर वह सालों से अत्याचार कर रहे थे? क्या उन्हें उस वक्त यह अनुभूति नहीं हुई कि काला होने से चोट कम नहीं लगता? तुमने स्वयं को अधिक सभ्य समझने वाले लोगों को पनाह दिया था, या फिर तुम मूर्ख हो इसलिए प्रतिरोध नहीं कर पाए? क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता उन्हें साम्राज्यवादी कहना उन्हें बहुत ही कर्णप्रिय विशेषण से बुलाना है? मैं उन्हें उन शब्दों से बुलाना चाहता हूं जो अपनी शिष्टता का जामा उतार फेंकना चाहते हैं और गाली बन जाना चाहते हैं।
So we are in the northern ridge. Look at a map of Delhi, you'll see on the western side there's a line which is slightly elevated, a mountainous region. This is the ridge and we are in its northern part. And our next stop is going to be the Flagstaff Tower, also part of the ridge. Any guesses why we are going uphill?
Because it is at a higher altitude.
Exactly. So the Flagstaff is at the highest point of the ridge. So that's one advantage of having a tower. It's like a watchtower also. Yeah. Now, any guesses what it might be? I mean, besides a watchtower, why the name Flagstaff?
And because they used to hoist flag.
And whose flag?
And British flags.
And what were the British doing here? Any guesses?
And they were ruling. India was a colony.
You are right, but we are still not an official colony by this time. So the Flagstaff is actually a little before 1857. But you are right in saying that it's the British built building and they were using it as to hoist their flags here. And any guesses why the use of the term mutiny versus the use of the term First War of Independence?
First War of Independence was because the entire nation revolted.
Yeah.
And the Sepoy mutiny because only the Sepoys revolted at that time.
Right.
There was certain, it was a particular group.
Exactly. So the difference I was trying to tell you is which side of the story you are. If you're on the winning side, which is the British side, they call it the mutiny. I'm trying to say it's only a group of soldiers, which was not an all-India phenomenon. But when historians on the other side, mostly Indian historians, when they study the rebellion, they have shown it as a revolt which was widespread, had many reasons. It was not confined to only the soldiers. There were landlords, there were peasants. Everybody had a problem with British presence here, and it was more of a collective effort. That's the difference between studying it as a mutiny and studying it as the First War of Independence. Okay, so this is the Flagstaff Tower which we were talking about, and so once the rebels were driving out these Europeans out of the city, और वो सबसे पहले यहाँ आकर छुपते, यहाँ पे महिलाएं थी, बच्चे थे, आदमी थे, they hid here for a night and they were feeling so helpless. They ran away from here also towards Karnal. There's a spiral staircase inside this building and we'll go up to the floor above. Yeah? Try and imagine that Shahjahanabad is somewhere there, yeah, and if it was a watchtower here, you would probably be able to see it. British are going down south from here, fighting the rebels, and the rebels are coming out of the city. So this went on from the month of June till the month of September. And this period was the period of most bitter fighting.
Okay, ma'am. So, from what sources do you collect the material that you're telling all this?
Most sources and the most easily available ones are the accounts left by the British. Their diaries, some historians later who wrote about what happened in 1857 saying that, oh, what a great job did the British do, etc., and how bad the rebels were, etc. So that's one account. But there's an obvious problem with that, क्योंकि एक one-sidedness हो जाती है. Then there are some photographs. There was a chap called Felice Beato. His photographs are the earliest photographic evidence of Delhi, you could say. उससे पहले कुछ maps मिलते हैं, कुछ miniature paintings मिलती हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास photographs नहीं हैं. तो Beato की photographs में अगर आप देखेंगे तो एक Flagstaff Tower की भी photograph है, और जिसमें आसपास एकदम वीरान है, उजाड़ है. There are no trees here. So you have anything to add to what I was saying? Any questions, any comments?
मैम इस इमारत से जुड़ी कोई कहानी है? जैसे हर इमारत की कुछ कुछ अपनी अलग सी कहानी होती है.
वो है एक lucky infant का. There was a British official whose wife had given birth to a child a few days before the British reinforcements were to arrive. So the arrival of the child was considered lucky.
Well, ma'am, I have a question. Why is this tower so significant?
The historical importance of this and other places which mark the rebellion is for the British and by the British. भाई हमारे लोगों ने यहाँ कुर्बानियाँ दी, यहाँ कुछ British soldiers मारे गए, यहाँ कुछ British soldiers दफन हैं, यहाँ हमारे soldiers ने इतनी बहादुरी से लड़ा, इस तरह से.
Ma'am, you have been doing heritage walks with even foreigners. So, what do the Britishers talk about this Flagstaff Tower?
A lot of them are very keen to look at the sites of the mutiny as they call it. और बहुत सारे लोग इसे एक बहुत nostalgic point of view से देखते हैं. Like for them, many people who come here are actually descendants of people who participated in this rebellion in some form. तो एक बहुत subtle किस्म से they try and say कि no matter what, no matter how bad the British rule was, it was ultimately a good thing. You look, so much progress you have made is because of us. So that's the typical attitude. They think that they have given us something, but actually it's they who use the resources of the colonies to build their own economies. Okay, let's take a round about this building. Come.
Since this monument is very close to the university, so we are hoping that the university would adopt this.
That's a good thing. I sometimes feel that it should be decentralized instead of the Archaeological Survey of India controlling every piece of brick that's there in the country. I mean, it would help. A local initiative should be good, I think.
My father used to tell me that at that time, the British period, they had this cantonment area, and this was the highest point and the coolest point. I think in the British period, they used to keep the cannons over there, and there are two guards' house and then ammunition house. When the enemies are coming, they used to fire like this. So it was the thing, the story. If they can improve it a little more, that they can put in some history here and make a little information center here, they can give the literature to the students, because everybody doesn't know, even they have not put the name here. I started coming here since 1959 when I was a child like this. It's such a beautiful place, very cool. Means when we didn't have any air conditioner, nothing, we used to come here at around 4 o'clock, lie down here and have all those things. So in the morning when the sun rises, you have the best view, the sun rises. And after that means the peacocks are coming here, dancing here every time. And then the young guys, the school boys, college boys, they come here for the exercise. So this whole atmosphere becomes the most happening place without alcohol. All senior citizens are coming here, so they celebrate their birthday. They bring the flowers and they put there in the garlands like that and distribute the sweets. They don't know anybody, but they distribute to everybody. So this is the thing. In the full moon night, they distribute that kheer. So means we have this kind of culture.
Action!
all of us came from Kerala, students studying in DU, different colleges, different courses, but all like interested in movies. Like we just came here, we had a camera, and yesterday we watched a movie. There was a good song in that, so we thought that we'll take some videos and mix the song in that. Just that's it.
മഴവാതിലിലൂടെ ഇടിമിന്നൽ പോലെ ഇരുളിനുള്ളിൽ പകൽ പോലെ.
The ambience is the main attraction. Like it's a good place to relax. So we see a lot of people coming here. Simply they just sit there. This kind of buildings, like it's not there in Kerala, right? We see the color of this building. The place where I come from, we don't have like this. I heard that it's a place of some historical moment, something like that.
കിളിപോയി മണലിൻ ചിറകോടെ മറവിക്കടൽ താണ്ടി ശരവേഗത്തിൽ കിളിപോയി. പകലൊന്നായി ഇരവൊന്നായി ഇരുചിറകായി കിളിപോയി.
For like festivals like Eid and all, we had to offer the namaz. So we did offer because we don't have disturbance nobody is there to ask why, or like there's nothing like that. So we did offer namaz here. Lovers, they roam everywhere. We see everywhere. Lovers, we see everywhere. Right? It doesn't matter them that many people come here. That doesn't matter their privacy. They are in their home. Let them go.
वतन की आन तुमसे है, वतन की शान तुमसे है. चलो चलो बढ़े चलो जवानों, तुम्हें सलाम, तुम्हें सलाम.